one?
No,
That's for Mark. I
That's
think.
for Mark.
No, find your name in there.
I'll find it. If I can find it. Oh, there you go. Oh, it didn't take long. Oh, hold on. I'll get
Okay, now on my presents, you have to open the card and read it aloud.
Oh,
Open, read the card first.
hold on. Let me put this down.
How about a playlist
This should be good.
in there?
Yeah.
Maybe. Let's see.
Right. Christmas.
Christmas K-pop.
Yeah.
Hey boy,
Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this.
I'm gonna make this simple for you. You got
Yeah, you gotta hear it now.
Yep.
Yes?
Merry Christmas, Ian. Remember, Santa is watching everything. Yes, even that. Anyway, Merry Christmas.
And look.
Okay. Cards and red.
Okay.
There's a few pieces of tape on the back.
Yeah.
You should have noticed.
Should just got glue gun and just glued it shut.
I mean, we got Ziplocs there.
Well, it's pretty close.
That's it.
I just know that getting that Scotch tape off is kind of hard.
Is it on the side? Oh, it's on the sides too.
Yeah.
It's really taped down. Top secret. Yeah, that's good. This side now. There you go.
Oh. It's a winter jacket.
Now,
I didn't get my.
I don't know the sizes here, so you might have to take them back, get the right size, but this is Duluth Trading Company. They got plenty big sizes.
Oh yeah, that's probably gonna be fine.
You think so?
Let's see.
Yeah.
Probably gonna get that.
Yep.
You might want to get one size bigger.
It is
Oh, that's fine.
What size is it?
It's a large.
oh, just large. Oh. It's only large, but
But
that's
anyway,
fit.
and I forgot to bring
I
the
have one in my room.
gift receipt.
Yeah, that's fine.
Well, the sleeves fit, don't they?
Yes, these fit. It's a little harder.
And
to
you
button
like
up, but it's fine.
you like hoodies?
Can you get it?
Sure.
Yeah, you like those.
So I figured.
It doesn't really go. It is